PhatWare Corporation today introduces Penquills 1.0, their new revolutionary 2-in-1 custom keyboard for iPhones, which utilizes PhatWare's state-of-the-art handwriting recognition. Penquills combines two different handwriting recognition technologies in a single application: single character recognition input when iPhone's screen is in portrait mode, as well as freestyle natural handwriting recognition in landscape. Penquills can be set as a system iOS keyboard and used with any iPhone app. Penquills 1.0 is available in the iTunes App Store at a special introductory price of only 99 cents. After December 10, 2014, the price will revert to the suggested price of $4.99. The price includes handwriting recognition in all supported languages. For more information, visit www.phatware.com.